first of all start with a very basic question that why compressed air is important in manufacturing and what kind of losses are there actually?
Yeah, I think that's a good question to start with. So yeah, to answer your question, I would like to share my screen with you guys and yeah,
Sure.
show you um, some things about compressed air system. So um, I hope all you guys can see my screen now.
Sure.
Yes, we can.
Yes, we can.
So yeah, that's great. So why compressed air systems? First of all, it's the third or fourth utility within most production companies, besides water or steam or electricity. It's 8 to 10 times the cost of electricity, and it's most often 10 to 30% of the total electricity bill of an average industrial company. Uh, Looking at textile companies, it's actually covering 70% of the electricity bill. So it's a very huge amount in textile industry. As you all will know, is textiles is one of the largest industrial sectors of Pakistan, and compressed air is one of the most vital and energy intensive utility of these textile industries. And then especially in weaving processes and spinning plants. Um, the reason why we focus on compressed air is because it's misunderstood by most users and engineers. Most users and engineers, they think that air is for free, but that's true. Air is for free, but compressed air is very expensive. So it holds a very high potential for energy savings, and it's a vital utility for the production machinery and processes. Without compressed air, basically 90% of the of the industrial sector can just close their doors. So looking at the cost of compressed air, the cost is 8 to 10 times more than electricity because there are a lot of wastes in compressed air system. So as you can see, you put in 100% electricity, and over the biggest chunk is being lost in heat, and then the rest of the air which is being produced, only 50% is being used effectively, and the other 50% is wasted. So when you go deep dive into a compressed air energy cost over 10 years, you can actually see that 75% of the total cost of ownership to run a compressed air system is energy cost, and only 12 to 13% is equipment cost and maintenance cost. So if you would look at saving money on compressed air systems, uh, I would definitely take a closer look at the energy cost and not in the initial investment that you have to make for the equipment, or cutting budget on maintenance, because that's only a very small part of the compressed air system cost. So looking at the losses, here, you can see that most of the losses are in leaks, and then the rest is in artificial demand and inappropriate use. So basically, we are going to focus on that as well.